Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy! The best internet resources about how to make grills step by step. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to make grills step by step is recipes.howstuffworks.com. See the page titled How Stuff Works Step-by-Step Guide to Building a Barbecue Pit. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.thisoldhouse.com, especially the page How to Build an Outdoor Kitchen This Old House. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.howtodothings.com. The web page How to Make Gold Teeth Mold for Gold Tooth. This is the link.